This camera is not new, but in 2026, it still makes sense. This is the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III, a camera that used to be everywhere on YouTube, and today I'll tell you why it still uses it. Inside the box, you get exactly what you need. No drama. Camera body, battery, charger cable, and the wrist strap. No fancy accessories here, but honestly, this camera was always about simplicity. One thing I really love about the G7X Mark III is doesn't scream tech. Small, pocketable, film camera vibes, lightweight for daily carry. This is the kind of the camera you bring when you don't want to think too much. You just press, record, and go. For photography, this camera still delivers. 20 megapixel 1-inch sensor, great color straight out of the camera. Perfect for street photography, travel, coffee shots, everyday moments. No, this won't replace a full-frame camera, but for memories, this is more than enough. Built-in mic is decent for indoor use. But if you want a better audio, always use an external mic. This is still one of the easiest vlogging camera to use in 2026. Is the G7X Mark III still worth in 2026? Yes. If you want a simple vlog camera, you don't want heavy gear, you love compact and clean footage, you're focused on content, not specs. No, if you want cinematic log footage, you need advanced autofocus tracking, you're doing professional filmmaking, this camera is not about trends, it's about what works. In 2026, I use a lot of cameras, but sometimes I just want something light, fast, and reliable. And this camera reminds me. Now, let's talk about video, because this is where people ask the most question. Shoot at 4K, flip-up screen, vlogger-friendly, face detection still works well, great for sit-down vlogs, daily life, YouTube shorts, and reels. This is not cinematic monster. No lag profiles, no crazy dynamic range, and that's okay. This camera is about speed and convenience, not overthinking.
Bigyan, nus-nus ha?
May face detection naman pala eh. Pwede na to, home vlog.
Ayan sir,
G7X. Bumili si Mosi. Lokong Mosi, ha? Si Mosi bumili.
Oh? Para saan? Saan naman sir?
Hindi, natin to.
Demo natin.
Demo. I-testing ko lang yung ano niya. Testing sound check. Dapat may external microphone tayo. So, this is the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III in 2026. Still not perfect, still not new, but still very useful. If this video helped you, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and tell me in the comments, would you still use this camera in 2026? This is Rphy Samstill. Thank you and mabuhay.